Welcome to Soup, Salads and some more. Today I have come with again the some more section where I'll be making mooli paratha. Mooli is called radish in English. Paratha is when this is a little thicker and stuffed with different kinds of vegetable. 3 medium-sized radish I have taken. I will be peeling it. It's already washed and dry now. So peel it and then we will grate it. After grating, we will chop the 1 medium-sized onion completely finely. We will be chopping and then add it to this radish. Mix it with the salt and leave it in a bowl for 15 to 20 minutes so that it releases all the water. After 20 minutes, we will squeeze the water out of this radish and onion and spread it on a cotton cloth. And that again you will leave it for say half an hour so that all the moisture disappears and it will be easy while handling. But before we stuff the radish, we will chop the coriander finely and the green chilies finely chopped. Add to the onion and radish one. Add also a carom seed, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds to that. Mix it nicely and our stuffing is ready. This one, after squeezing the water from it, I spread it on a cotton cloth and left it another half an hour so that all the moisture is gone. Now the 2 chilies which I kept, chopped it finely. I'm going to add it to that. And carom seeds, 2 teaspoons. And 1 bowl of chopped coriander. Taken 3 big cups. I'm going to add salt in it. And first I will add the radish water which was squeezed it out. Mix it with that, and any extra water I need, I will use the normal water. Add little by little, don't pour it a lot. As when you need it, you can add little. From dough, just going to apply oil on it and leave it to rest for 15 minutes. Leave it to rest for 10-15 minutes and then we will prepare parathas. You can take a lemon size of dough and nicely roll it in your palm. Flatten it. Then with the help of the finger, we are going to give a bowl shape. Pressing with the right thumb inside, all the 4 fingers outside. We will press only the edge side, not in the center, because center we want thick, so that when you stuff it, it won't come out. It has become a nice bowl. I'm going to stuff 1 tablespoon of stuffing inside. All the edges together to the center, pushing the stuffing inside and close it. Once you close it, just give a twist and turn around towards the stuff and just press it with your right thumb and even it. See, your paratha dough with the stuffing is ready. Just give a pat, all comes together and clean. And I'm going to roll it on the dry wheat flour. Remove the extra wheat flour from this. Now, keeping it in the plate, it has to rest for at least 10 minutes before you roll this one, and there are 8 of them. I made it. I will be rolling now. So this was the first one I made it because I kept it in the order. So this is the 8th one. So by the time I finish the 8th one, the first one is ready to roll. So I'm going to roll it. Wheat flour, There is my first one rolled and ready. So tawa is also hot. I'm going to apply some oil on it and keep my first rolled paratha on top. And cook both the sides till you get nice brown spots here and there. You can see that. Now I am going to apply the oil all around and on top. You can be liberal, you can be little scanty in applying the oil. Depends how much oil you want. Because we are applying with the brush, you are not going to be very liberal. If you pour with the spoon, now press it with this spatula and cook all around. I'm going to remove it to the plate here. Apply oil again and keep my second paratha on. So here is my mooli paratha, which is radish stuffed paratha. I'm serving you with some pickle and yogurt, plain yogurt. That's the combination which goes with our paratha. Enjoy it till I come back. TTFN.